Python. Wow, Python is at all-time high today. Python, Python, all-time high. Yep. Okay.
Ramadan di rumah aja. Tenang.
Yes. Hmm. Oh, forget this one. Sorry about that. Okay, good morning or good evening, wherever you are, traders and YouTubers. You just joined us. Today is May 18, 2020. Time is 9:13. So I know that we usually live at 9:30 New York times, but I gonna start a little bit early today. Um, so I'm just putting some levels on this, some extremes level on this on chart today. Mm. ACB look quite strong. ACB, ACB. CCL. Python is all-time high. mRNA, mRNA. mRNA is also at all-time high. mRNA is all-time high. So Disney, not much. JD is also at all-time high. So yeah, JD is all-time high. JD all-time high. Delta Airlines. GSX. Okay, for those who are wondering how do I get all of these stocks, I have a screen running on my other I yeah, on my other screen. I have a scanner running, right, and the scanner usually shows me what are the stock that that meets certain criteria, like for example the highest percentage or the most active or the one with the catalyst or announcing earning or 52-week size, something like that. So that's how I get all of these stocks that I'm marking right now. So mRNA, DAL, UAL, mRNA, ACB, JD, Python. Let's see what is a GSX. 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 Dexter. GSX is another Chinese company, I think. Yeah, technology driven education services. So, why it's dropping? Let's check out the news. Oh, earning. Oh, no. I think it's dropping because in light of the previous Chinese company called Luckin Coffee, right? When they fake the traffic report on their outlets. So I think this is just moving in light of that fraud, because I don't see any other catalyst that makes this stock drops 18% on GSX. Wow. Now, okay, so I have CCL, DAL, UAL, mRNA, ACB, JD, Python, and GSX. Um, Python, JD, ACB, they are at all-time high. Oh no. Uh, mRNA all-time high. Yeah. Yeah. That's the okay, those are the stocks that are currently in play. So alright, so if you're just joining us, my name is Michael and I'm from Aegis.CMEG. Today is May 18, 2020, and we are live from New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Well, this is live, right? Time is almost 5 minutes before market opens. So it's 5 minutes before market open. Let's see. Okay, so all right. So let's see. The reason why, again, the reason why we have this, uh, some people ask, right? What's the difference between trading a stock or trading, for example, a forex or commodities or option? Um, the reason for that is when you're trading stock, there's a few more indicators available that are available, right? For example, the one in the middle here is what we call a level 2 information, right? Uh, all of these numbers, these are representing the flow of the money, flow in or flow out. And I don't think this kind of indicator available if you're trading something else, if you're trading commodities, forex, or option, so these important because it shows you where the money flows, right? Especially when you're trading, like for example, when you're trading in my style, which is mostly scalping. So that's very critical because you show, okay, there's a big order coming in, right? And that's one thing. There's indicator, and there's another indicator, volume, for example. So volume, when you're trading forex, it's not available, right? That's also helps because if you see in general, you want to follow where the volume goes, or in usually people say in trading, volume leads the price, right? So if you see the volume increase, usually the trade goes into that direction. Not necessarily not necessarily the stock is going to go up when the volume increase, but usually it continues into that direction. So for example, if the previous direction is long, right, and you see the volume steadily increase, then usually the stock is gonna keep going up, and vice versa, right? So that's another thing. So you get volume and you get the level 2 indicator. And another thing is the new trading stock, you see a certain timestamp, right? For example, this blue vertical dash line right here, it represents the market open and market close, right? And usually in the first hour of market opens is the one with the highest volatility, right? And you want to trade during that period because the stock usually moves heavily. Yeah, so that's because that's how I train. I'm pretty sure people will say something, if you trade forex or if you trade option, then you can do this and you can do that. That's fine. That's valid. It's just that I was trained when I learned trading. I learned trading equity. So and for me, I think it's a little bit easier to follow when you're trading equity again because it has more indicator, right? Okay. So time is um, 30 seconds to market open. GD. JD is all-time high. That's why. Okay, we'll see. All right, market opens. Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if anything interesting. So again, you know my trading style. I usually wait for the first 5 minutes until I saw something really interesting. UAL quite strong because it's jumped with a 10%. JD. JD. I'm thinking of entering JD. Let's see. Okay. Entering JD. Stop loss at 51.9. Wow, look at these levels. Yeah. Oh, okay. So JD just popped, right? It's quite nice on JD. So I did trade on JD, 100 shares. JD quite nice. So I'm thinking I might enter one more trade. It's just that I don't know which one yet. Yeah. I should have taken more shares on JD. I think only 100 shares. CCL. So mRNA look like short. I don't know, mRNA, let's see. mRNA, for some reason it's not moving as much as I like to. So not many yet. So taking UAL, yeah. See for UAL, I might regret it. Yep, regret taking on UAL. AC UAL doesn't move. That's the reason. That's why. I'm thinking of getting back short on mRNA. 52 point. That's thing mRNA moves so much. Yeah. DAL. Let's see DAL. Yeah. So I'm entering mRNA, shorting mRNA. Let's see. Hundred share short or mRNA. So I'm entering ACB. I'm re-entering mRNA. Yes. All right, not an easy day. So it's 1% on my account. Not an easy day. Not an easy day. I hesitate in some of the trade. For example, is mRNA. So yeah, mRNA should probably wait until it drops a little bit more. But the thing is, I already whip. Sorry, I'm already on my second trade on mRNA. I lost a little bit, so that psychologically that's a little bit challenging. So okay, so today is 1%. Should I trade more? No, I probably okay. So I'm gonna do a recap today. So 1% on my trading account, right? So that's not bad. Uh, okay, so all right. So in the what's the first one? Oh, the first one I trade is JD, right? JD is very nice. I should have take more. So JD stock starts strong. It's up from yesterday. I think it's at all-time high, right? JD, it's closing below this pre-market high, and I enter when the stock retraces slightly below a VWAP. I enter only 100 shares. I probably should have more. Sorry, because this is such a very nice risk to reward, right? Look at this. This is one risk. I quickly scalp this because this is all-time high, right? So there is no resistance on the top on the way up. So I quickly scalp in here. It's very nice. That's what JD is. The other thing that I trade is after that I trade ACB. So ACB, again, ACB is actually also very nice. I just take profit too quickly because the stock is very strong. Retrace to the moving average. I enter here. I probably should have waited, right? But I think I entered quite heavy in here. So I should have waited until the stock reached this resistance line. But yeah, that's what the ACB is. The other thing that I took is mRNA. Oh, no, mRNA is slightly it's messed up my psychology a little bit, right? Because what happened is the stock is already retraced down. The stock is well, first of all, the stock is strong. Yeah, stock is I think I don't know, it's all time high. Yeah, the stock is all time high, right? The stock is all time high, and then when it opened, it's going down, right? Which is quite contradictory because when the stock is strong, you're expecting this, it keep going up. But I guess people just taking profit, right? And the stock is going short. Now that makes you nervous to short it because when the stock's strong, naturally you want to go long, right? So, but that's what makes me nervous to short it. So, but it kept going, it kept going down and down. Look at this bearish engulfing candle. Now I can't help myself. I enter short in this. So, but the stock doesn't move as much as I hoped to. So I quickly exit, right? Because again, nervous, psychology thinking, right? And then the stock retraced to this 5 moving average. Now I re-enter short, but then what happened is the stock moved up, and that also makes me nervous because the stock is strong, yeah, and that's the thing. So I quickly exit right here. The stock finally going down. I enter position. I quickly scalp. Give me a very nice risk to reward ratio on mRNA. So that's ACB, mRNA. What else? Oh, UAL. I don't know what I'm thinking on UAL. I'm going, yeah, UAL. I'm going long, and then but the stock doesn't move that much. I quickly exit with a loss, at $8 loss. So that's what happened. UAL. So okay. So should I? Okay. So my name is Michael, and I'm from Aegis CMEG. If you follow me at live trading Monday to Friday, 8:30 to every day, Monday through Friday. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.